In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a bar over a letter in Microsoft Word. This technique is especially useful when you're working with mathematical variables or similar notations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to easily add a bar above any letter in your document. Let's jump right in. First, let's get started by opening up your Microsoft Word file. Make sure the document you're working on is open and ready. If you don't have Word open yet, you might want to do that quickly. Now position your cursor where you'd like that bar-topped character to appear in your text. Next, type the letter X or whichever character you want to have a bar over. Once you've typed your letter, you'll want to navigate over to the Insert tab located on the Word toolbar at the top of your screen. This tab might be new to some, but it's packed with many useful tools for inserting various elements into your document. Now in the Insert tab, look for the Symbols option. It usually sits towards the far right of the toolbar. Give it a click. A little menu should drop down, and what you want to do is select More Symbols. This will bring up a dialog box filled with a wide range of symbols and characters you can insert. In this new dialog box, there's a drop-down menu labeled Subset on the right. You'll want to set this menu to Combining Diacritical Marks. This particular subsection is where you can find the character to place the bar over your letter. It'll make it much simpler to track down the specific symbol you need. Once you've switched to the Combining Diacritical Marks subset, you should be able to spot the bar symbol. It's a line that appears to hover above, intended to be placed over characters. Select this symbol. With that done, simply click the Insert button located at the bottom of the dialog box. Now you'll notice that the bar has automatically appeared right above your chosen letter, effectively giving you the notation you wanted, just like that. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully placed a bar over a letter in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this instructional video on mastering the insertion of symbols in Microsoft Word. I hope you found it helpful and you're now able to incorporate this skill into your future projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy writing!